Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, a particular use case we are going to discuss. Now, what happens is we have a content pages with us, maybe a website, and this website is having number of pages, say for example, 1,000 pages or maybe less or more. Irrespective of that, now we have to do some analysis and we have to find how many components, unique components we have used in the whole website. Those components can be functional components or maybe structural components, etc., etc. But yeah, the main motive is to find out how many components we have used, the unique components we have used in the whole website. Okay. Now, what I have done, I have created a simple servlet, Sling servlet. Yeah. If you see line number 35, it's a path-based servlet, which is not recommended. But yeah, just for the sake of the demo, you can of course change it to resource type-based servlet as well. No problem at all. But yeah, not here. The concentration should go here. What we are doing in this servlet, we are just firing a query, SQL to based query, in which I want to find the Sling resource type, because that is what will give us the component path, okay, from NT base, yeah, and where my child node, I mean from where I want to pick all the components, right, is basically I want to pass from the servlet as a query parameter. Okay, for example, I want to find how many functional components we have used in this website, content weekend website. So this will be my query parameter. Content weekend, under content weekend, I want to find all the unique functional components we have used. Okay, and then I have added a end close Sling resource type, where it's like anything. Okay, anywhere we see the Sling resource type property, just get it, and it's a SQL type query. And whatever results I'm getting, because those of course I will get duplicate results as well, because a functional component can be used maybe on multiple pages. So I have created a set, because of course set only accepts unique values, it will just ignore the duplicates. And I have just added I have just iterated over it, and the components path what I'm getting from the result, I will just add it to set, and finally I'm just printing the whole set. Yeah, so if you see this, we are just printing the whole set, we are just iterating over it again, and we are just printing. Now let's see what is the output. Okay, so I'm just hitting this servlet, and my query parameter is resource is equal to content weekend, and this is what I am taking it here, query string resource. Okay, and the same query string I'm passing here. So under this node, under this content path, whatever Sling resource type we get, just grab it, put it in set, find the unique values, and finally iterate over it and print it. And see, this is how we are getting the whole data in one go. So this way we can easily find out how many unique components we are using in the whole website. Okay, so I will put the link to the repository where I'm going to put this servlet, so that you just need to put this servlet to your code repository, just to install it and use it. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I hope it will be useful for you. Thank you.